This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, and this is the front view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the front view. In the front view, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 45 multiplied by 2, which will be 90 unit in this here, and we can see it has a vertical distance of 30 unit. Then I will should boss it to 48 unit. So after that, we can see in every portion, and this extrude cut portion has a dimension of 6 unit, and here we can see this extrude boss portion has a dimension of 6 unit. So I will use the shell features of 66 unit in all the portion. So let's start. So first of all, I'm selecting the front plane. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle. Place the center rectangle to the origin. Now draw a rectangle of 30 by 45 multiplied by 2. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 48 unit and select the mid plane here. Now press OK. Now it's time for using the shell features. So select the shell feature and now dimension it to 6 unit. Now check the show preview option. Now select this face. Now select this face and rotate, and select this other side. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now we can see that we have gotten quite the shape like this one. So this time I will draw this shape. So for drawing this shape, I will first draw a center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 21 unit. So after drawing this center line, then I will offset this portion. So after offsetting this portion, and I will offset again this portion. Then I will close the shape. Then I will extrude boss it. Then I will extrude boss it to 28 minus 6 unit. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now from the line tool, select the center line and place the center line to the center, and now dimension it to 21 unit. Now press OK. Now it's time for offset entities. For the offset entities, now dimension it to 10 divided by 2 unit. Now select this line. Now select bidirectional, cap int and line. Now press OK. So from here I will select the trim option and trim this line. Okay, now press OK. We need to again offset another line here. So I am selecting the offset entities again. Now this time make sure to select the dimension 22 minus 10 unit divided by 2, so it will be 6 unit. So select this line. Now press OK. Okay, so we have gotten our shape. Now select the line tool and join these two lines. Again select the line tool and join these 2 points. So we have gotten our closed shape. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 28 minus 6 unit. Now press OK. So in here we can see we have a semicircle like here, and this semicircle has a dimension of 9 radius, and we can see we have another semicircle here, and this semicircle has a dimension of 15 unit. Then we will extrude boss it to 42 minus 6 unit. So after that we can see we have a fillet here. You can see a fillet, and this fillet has a dimension of 5 unit. So let's do this portion. For doing this portion, I'll select this face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now after that, select the circle and place the circle this midpoint, and now dimension it to 9 multiplied by 2 diameter. Now again place the circle here, and now dimension it to 15 multiplied by 2 unit. Now this time, now select the line tool and join these two line. Okay, now it's time for selecting the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part that we don't need. So now we'll isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 42 minus 6 unit. Now press OK. After that, we need to do the fillet. So select the fillet option, and it has a fillet of 5 radius, and zoom here and select this arc, and now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. In here we can see we have a inclined line here, and this inclined line has a 65 degree from here. So in the front plane I'll draw this line, and after drawing this we will extrude boss it to for 4 unit. So for doing this shape, as we can see, this is a curve option, so I am avoiding the rip tool here. So I'll first here draw a incline line like this one. After drawing that incline line, I will then extend a horizontal line here, then I will draw a vertical line here, then I will close the shape. So after closing the shape, I will extrude it to 4 unit. Okay, so I am selecting the front plane. Now sketch and make sure to select this line, and after selecting this line, convert entities. So I have now isometric it for a better view. Now select a line and place the line to here and draw a incline line to here. Now select the smart dimension option from here. After selecting the smart dimension option, select this line, and now dimension it to 65 degree. Okay, now select the trim option. Now trim these two line. Now press OK. Now I can select line and draw a horizontal line here, then draw a vertical line, then close the shape. So after that, I will isometric it for a better view. Now go to, we have seen that we have overdrawn this, so I need to trim this portion. So I am selecting, okay, I am selecting this line and convert entities, because we need to draw according to this line. Okay, so I will need to trim this option, so I'm selecting the trimming here and trimming this part and this part. Okay, now it's good to go. Okay, I'm showing it now. Isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 4 unit and select it from the mid plane. Now press OK. So we can see we have gotten our extrude boss option. Now isometric it for a better view. Now it's time for this extrude cut circle. This extrude cut circle has a dimension of 16 unit, and it is apart from 45 unit from this line, and it has a vertical distance of 17 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a circle and draw a circle here, and this circle has a diameter of 60 unit. Now now smooth dimension it. Now select here and this line. It is 45 unit. Okay, and now select this circle and this line and dimension it to 17 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut option. Now extrude cut. Now select up to surface. Now select this surface. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Okay. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.